In this video, we're going to cover the use of a Keurig My K-Cup so that you can use your own coffee in a Keurig machine instead of using the Keurig K-Cup pods. The My K-Cup is essentially a filter basket that allows you to put your own coffee into a filter here and replaces the typical K-Cup holder in a Keurig machine. Removing the K-Cup holder from a Keurig machine is actually quite easy. In this particular one, the K-Cafe machine that we have here, you simply open the top, get your hand underneath of the K-Cup, and there's a hole underneath of here, and press hard to pop out the K-Cup holder. So it comes out. You can then use a My K-Cup with your own coffee in it, in the filter. Put it in the holder here. The top goes on and locks, and then this My K-Cup sits inside of where the K-Cup holder would normally be. So you'll see that the My K-Cup filter basket has a couple of lines. There's a line toward the bottom here at the very sort of top of the foil, and then another line at the top. The first line is where we can typically fill this to. We use this glass evac canister. And we're using very fine Bustelo. Tap it on the counter. We're using very fine Bustelo espresso beans, ground espresso here. It's a tiny bit more. There we go. So that's good. And then this filter basket goes inside the holder, the My K-Cup holder. Then the top goes on. Open the lid, stick it in, and we're ready to go. So there it is, it's done. We'll pull that off. And you'll hear that the K-Cafe boiler is starting up again. Can't really do latte art too well with this machine, but it's a nice latte. So there's a cold latte, and I'll put some ice in it, and that one's done. So why would you use the Keurig My K-Cup over the K-Cups that are pre-made? Well, number one, you're saving money. Buying coffee in bulk is always cheaper than buying, small individual doses of coffee that are pre-packaged. Number two, it's better for the environment. You're not throwing away a bunch of plastic that you would with the regular K-Cups. Number three, you get to use your favorite coffee, which may not come in a regular K-Cup. The cons are really only just two things. Number one, it's a bit more work. And number two, you have to do a bit more cleanup than you would otherwise. So I think the pros outweigh the cons. If you found this video helpful, please like and please subscribe.